Hello, the second YouTube video I've seen. I hope you looked this up like last time. 47 views. Whoa. This is. This is not what you. And this, yes, this is the Let's Play Survival series. Don't know we got here though. Oh, I hate. Streams are really annoying because they push you back. I don't have any blocks. Please just give me it. Thank you. Okay, I'm just gonna lift mine up. All this, all of this crap. And yes, I am going to. So, if you want to join with me, if you're like a really big fan, but you're a really fan of me, you probably won't be because I'm very new. But you can if you want. My name in the game is destroy this. That's all we need. If we can break that, we've achieved everything in life. What we have. Oh, give me that dirt. One. Give me dirt. Thank you, thank you. Die. This is one very big tree. Okay. Oh, that took a long time to get out that mine shaft. It's weird. This Minecraft, the thing on Minecraft is the main priority on this. We won't be doing like really scary stuff. Just like scary. Like top 5 scary seeds and all of them. Not like FNAF and all of them. I hate FNAF. Okay, I can go down here. Keep inventory is not on, so if I die, I'll lose all my stuff. Oh! Just go up here. And yeah, if you want to join me on my world, what the hell? I'm gonna, wow, there we go. If you want to join me on my worlds, if you're connected to Xbox Live, you can play with me. So my name is MegaBlaziken854, and well, that's my name in the game anyway. I can see the light. Oh, I need to die. Yes. Come on, I need to die, I need to die. Yes, die, character. Lapis. Come on. There's love. Oh, flip that. Lava, yes. Yay! Oh, flip. Huh, huh, huh. Yeah, I'm always gonna be spawning here. That's annoying. Oh, cool. Build up. When did I get that? Okay. I'm just gonna break one of these. If I only have a shovel. I need steel as well. Well, because I got flint, I need iron. Technically, it's not steel. Flint and steel. Technically. How long? Yay, one block. Yay. Oh yeah, I forgot I didn't get. No. Oh, yes. Please, 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 please. Oh. Ah. Oh. Flip, flip. Let's see if I get 13. I probably won't. No. No, I get 13. Flip! Yeah, we need more gravel, I think. Super Mario. For 5. Wow. I just want to like that. Oh, 22 is enough. And bam, bam. Here comes the big fat man coming up the chimney. And I still haven't even got there yet. Oh, jingle bells. Whoa. Uh, uh, there we go. I'm just going to settings. I'm sorry, I just want. I'm not putting anything. I'm just gonna put slash set world sport. Damn. There we go. I know I said damn, but I meant bam. Ooh. What's your favourite game? Comment down below what's your favourite game. Mine's Minecraft and Pokemon. Okay. I'm gonna my dirt. Go. Ooh. I'm not going in the cave system. I'm gonna get some wood. And yes, I will be doing videos every single day. Because yesterday was the 5th of February, I think. No, the 15th of February, and today is the 16th of February. I'm not quite sure. I'm very new. I've already got 2 subscribers. Look at that strategy. A tree of dirt. So yes, and this is the survival zone that only one people's commented to say really like your vid, can't wait for the can't wait for the survival let's play. So that's why I'm doing it, because only one person commented. If more people like you commented, then we might have had more. And the big shout out to the person who commented, Catherine Hughes. That's who commented. Okay. 32. Crafting table. Hmm. 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 Okay. Oh, that is so cool. Die! I'm sorry. If you drop level, I'll be very happy. How long does it take? Oh. Why? What is wrong? Yeah, I'm probably gonna make a pickaxe, and a sword. Oh, about to say, maybe we could make a. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that. And we need an axe. There we go. Oh yeah, we also need a door. Wait, oh, so is that a cave spider? I thought. What's the flip? Why is that flipped at that flip? I just need to build. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Place it down. Go. No, no. Ow. Ow. No, 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 no. Slash T. Slash. Set war spawn. Go. What is wrong? Maybe. Go. Put it back in. I don't know why it's not working. Yeah, I'm gonna kill you. And that, I'm gonna have to turn it off, and then I'm just gonna kill the spider. Oh, I need to. Creeper, 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 creeper. Yeah, that's the reason I like creepers. Because then they give you a lot of stuff. And they blow up. So I'm gonna end this. Then I'm gonna record again. So then I'm gonna put. So this is the survival series. Yeah. So I'm gonna stop recording.